So this is what's happening right now. This activity light is pulsing. There are these two LEDs right there, and this one right here should be blinking. One of these is orange, one of them is green. This should blink to say that there's activity on the keypad bus, but they're not. This is always on to indicate power, so it has power. That's what the wiring is like. All I did was jump these two, or short these two together, which is zone 6 in common. I've no idea what could cause this. The ATA, that's all running through there. That's all fine. Like I said, I don't know what could cause it at all. The only thing that I could see is that I changed the zone definition of zone 6 from supervisory. No, it used to be an exit zone. Then I changed it to aux 1, which is like an auxiliary alarm, and tripped that, and that's it. It's dead now.